true meaning of insight basirat. What does it mean to be basir, to possess insight? True insight is not merely the ability to distinguish right from wrong, for in every situation a part may be right while another part is false. One side might represent truth like Ali, while the other reflects falsehood like Muawiyah. In the same way, one side may be solid ground while the other is a mirage, one side the light of truth, and the other Qur'ans, raised upon spears. Basirat, or spiritual insight, is the power to recognize truth and the moral courage to act wisely amid confusion and crisis. In times of turmoil, whether social, political, or spiritual, the inner essence of a person reveals itself, exposing their true capacity, faith, and conviction. Many people speak proudly of their virtues, faith, integrity, wisdom when life is calm and safe. Yet these claims become real only when tested by crises of belief and morality. During such trials, spiritual erosion and renewal occur, hidden thoughts and suppressed truths emerge.